Hi, my name's Denise Fournerat, Senior Master Trainer for the Passion Test for Kids and Teens. I'm here to talk to you today about a great process called the Passion Test, based on the New York Times bestseller, The Passion Test, Discovering Your Effortless Path to Your Destiny, written by Janet Bray Atwood and Chris Atwood. You know, more importantly, I'm here to talk to you about being a mom. I've had careers, a nurse, an early child education director and teacher, a YMCA director, and a holistic health educator. But more importantly, I am a mom. I was a teenage mom, a single mom, a stay-at-home mom, a working mom, a mom of a blended family. I was a mom in many, many ways. I'm a grandmother, and yes, I am a great-grandmother. And along the way, I have experienced all the challenges that come with being a mother. And so I'd like to share with you this incredible process, the Passion Test, that when I discovered it, it just freed me up to live a life so empowered, so effortless, that I decided to teach it. After becoming a facilitator, Janet and Chris came and asked me if I would be willing to join with them into helping create a program for kids and teens and families and teachers, and I was all over that. So I'd like to share one of the processes that we use in the Passion Test, because once it helps you get really clear on what's most passionate to you, then you need to decide how to choose in favor of that passion. We created a program that when we work with the children, we use the power decision process. And I'll give you an example of how it works. I was recently in a bookstore over the Christmas holidays, and there was a mom and a grandmom and about a 7-year-old little boy and a toddler. And the little boy had two things in his hand, and he had to pick one. The toddler was bursting to get out, and Mom was struggling to rein him in, and that was really frustrating her. I bet you've been there. And the 7-year-old couldn't make up his mind. I bet you've been there. And there you go. The battle began. Mom wanted him to pick something. He couldn't decide. I went over and I said to the mom, you know, I work with kids. Would you mind if I talk to your son? She said, no, anything right now. So I sat down on the floor next to him and I said, I see you're having a really hard time choosing what you want. I have this great program that I do, and it's called the Power Decision Process. You use your imagination. It helped me pick out what book I wanted. Would you like to try it? He said, okay. I said, close your eyes and picture that you've got that card in your hand at your room, and you're twirling it all over your room, but nowhere is that racetrack. Now I want you to picture you have that racetrack. You've got it set up all over your room, but nowhere is that car in your hand. Which one felt best? Which one would you choose? And his eyes flew open and he said, well, I choose the racetrack because I have a lot of other cars. I said, awesome. You see how powerful you are? You got to choose what was most important to you. Isn't that great? Wouldn't it be great if you could do that all the time, if you just remembered how to do this? Now go tell Mommy what you want. He ran over and said, Mommy, I want the racetrack. She said, awesome, let's go. And she mouthed thank you, and as they walked away, the little boy said, Mommy, was that Santa's Christmas angel? It just warmed my heart to hear that, because I was living my passion to help families find peace and tranquility, to resolve conflict easily. I invite you to find a way to do this for yourself. Go on the Passion Test website, buy the book and read it. Or better yet, come to one of our 4-day trainings where you get to learn how to empower yourself and to empower the ones that you love, how to free yourself and how to free your family, how to live a life so full of passion and harmony that it's joyful. I want to thank you for letting me come and be a part of your day, and I'm wishing you a passion-fulfilled day.